That's a goofy cat. Oh. Don't you hate when that happens? You're watching something funny on your phone and then it just dies on you. Well, luckily for you, I have something that can charge your phone wirelessly and quickly. Let's check it out. Hello, welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host, Adron. If you like this video, and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on the notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video. Today, we are talking about the Aukey magnetic wireless charger. This wireless charger is compatible with iPhones, AirPods, Android devices, you name it. This charger is a snap-on, power-up, QI certified wireless fast charger up to 15 watts of power. Yeah, that's right, you heard me correctly. 15 watts. One clip magnetically to wirelessly charge your AirPods, your iPhones up to 8 and beyond, and once again, certain Android devices such as Samsung or LG. Keep your calls going and your games going while you charge your phone. Additionally, the magnetic connection keeps you from accidentally dropping it, leaving it secure in your hands. This is a fast charging USB-C charger achieving up to 15 watts of power. Now, disclaimer, to achieve that kind of power you need an 18 or 20 watt adapter, which you can get with an Aukey Minima 20 watt charger or an Aukey Omnia Mini 20 watt charger. Every Aukey magnetic wireless charger comes shipped with an Aukey LCA1 magnetic wireless charger, a user manual, and a warranty card. Finally, the magnetic feature only works with iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro Max. To get it to work on other iPhone models or other devices, you need to get a MagSafe strip sold separately. That was the Aukey Aircore magnetic wireless charger. If you like this product, please click on the link in the description below to get more information and to buy this product for $18.99. Yes, $18.99. Well, that wraps up this video. If you like this video and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on the notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video. Well, that's the end. I've been your host, Adron. And from Los Angeles, California, please be kind to each other, stay safe, and have a nice day. See ya.